What happened to my nose?
What's wrong with it?
Doesn't it have a cut right there on it?
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't have pimples.
It is a pimple. I might take.
I don't know what it is. I got a spot. You've been marked.
Hey guys, we are here at the Sylvan Heights Bird Sanctuary. Oh, there's the rare bumblebee. And there's one over there. Look at that guy. What did you find?
Fake bird. Hasn't made one move.
There's a crane.
But there's no crane.
Well, it might be hiding.
That's what Dad said.
Yeah. Ben said that the duck looks fake. It does. He's pretty though. Look at their little area they got. And it has nets so they can't get out. You found the crane? There's the crane. Look at that, isn't that sweet?
I think the bird is actually swimming under the
They're trying to get wet, I guess.
It's so white.
Look at that one.
It looks like feathers.
Aww. They're trying to get them to get food on their stick, but the guy said that they were full already. Get a room. Get a room. Oh, there's what it is. He's off.
He's off. Dude, he's the golden. Or how many birds? Hey, use your inside voice.
Aw. Aw. Y'all want to make a wish?
What is
You guys were, and it's Beaver Pond.
Traps.
No.
Close the windows before we go out. But you can leave them open now.
Wow. This is
What
cool.
exactly are we supposed to be looking at?
The beavers? What are we supposed to be looking at, Cameron?
A tree grew through it.
Look at the swamp.
Okay,
It's
don't even tell you why.
Completely green. Oop. Wow.
I see movement down there in the water.
Anything? See anything at all? No. That looks cool though. It looks fake. It looks like sand, but it's not. It's green like slime. Hello? Say hello. He doesn't talk. He's pretty though. Real pretty. Oh, look at the yellow in his eyes. Hello? They should know hello. I'm sure everybody says hello when they come through. Hello?
This one wants to be sociable.
Oh my gosh, look behind. Charlie, look behind us. Oh,
Little baby duck.
the little ducks. They're following us. The Hawaiian goose. Brooke.
For my shoe. Watch.
Oh, look at, oh, he says feed me. He's hungry. Aw. I don't think they can eat those, guys. You have to wait and,
Watch, he'll go for my shoe.
oh. That is cool.
Shoe, watch.
Cameron, feed them. They're hungry. No. Ben.
Ben, stop letting him take your way.
Look at that guy. What is he doing up there? He's running. Look at him running.
Watch me whip. Watch me nay-nay.
Look, and he's doing it too with his neck. See? He's whipping and nay-naying with
Because
his
he's
neck.
nay-nay.
Because that's his name, Nay-Nay. It's Nene. Charlie said it swims underwater.
They do. He's right there now. He just popped up. Look, he just went under.
I can't see.
Keep one of them over there. They'll go underwater. They'll actually swim underwater.
Oh, I heard one.
Oh, there he goes.
I don't know if I got him or not. Oh, I see one over there.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
There he goes.
That is crazy. They actually swim underwater.
Same right there.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that is so cool.
Getting told over and over again. Just on and off again. Oh, it's hard to feel it, so we pretend, and then we're off and on and off again. Oh, heaven forbid. Oh, we're just on and on again. Oh, it's hard to feel it, so we pretend, and then we're off and on and off again. Oh, heaven forbid.
close.
Hey guys. Hey, you want some Fruit Loops? his bill looks plastic, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The hawk. Not the green hawk, but they're hawks. Laughing kookaburra.
That's what it says.
Does he laugh?
Flies around.
He flies around, yeah. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? It said hello.
Step up.
How are you today?
Then we have step up. I don't think it is.
Oh my gosh, that is funny. Hey, they're saying hello.
Step up.
He's talking to you, Ben.
What's your
How was your
name?
day?
Hello. Step up.
Come here. He's not ready to
These
fly over
are
here.
talkative. They won't hurt you. Oh, he's afraid. Oh,
Hi.
Adorable.
oh, he said hi.
Hello.
Oh my god, what's he doing?
Oh gosh, that is so cool.
Kidding, Mom.
He's doing tricks for you.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
He doesn't know about that.
Look at that bird down there.
Hi.
What's the only word you say?
Hi.
Oh, look, he put his...
Hello.
Jeez, he is loud.
Hello.
Look, he is angry looking too. Look at him.
Don't get too close.
No,
Thank
no.
you.
Look at him. He looks angry.
Oh,
Ben.
Mom, one
Look,
time.
is he going to say hi to the viewers? Say hi to the viewers. Please subscribe.
Did you hear the bird back there?
I
When you
did.
said
Look
hi.
how angry looking he is.
Yeah.
Oh, we have the wild butterflies here, y'all. Look at that. That's amazing.
Like you make
All right, this is Jenga in the wild. All right, Ben, your turn.
Giant Jenga.
Giant Jenga. You gotta take one from the
If you
bottom.
knock it over, y'all gonna have to put it back up.
I'm not putting it back up.
So then
If you knock it over, you will.
that's part of the rules.
No, no.
Ben's like, no.
Just not mess with it.
Maybe that's why it's still sitting there, you think? Ben, just pick the one up top and lay it back down. Jenga! That's cheating. Uh-oh. Ben got something. Go ahead.
Knock that on top.
Straight out. Look, it's been a while since that one was pulled out. It's wet, too. The board is wet.
That on top.
Please don't. Okay, you put it on top.
You want me to put it on top? Here.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Alright, I'm not cleaning this up.
Friendship never ends. Please. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the vlog for today. Make sure to buzz that like button, be smart and subscribe. And I just want to thank all of you guys for watching us. Thank you. You are our best people in the whole entire world. You guys mean a lot to us. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked all those birds. Bye.